House Bill number 252 by Representative Head, an act to amend TCA Title 70, Chapter 4, relative to wild animals.
It's called the Roadkill Bill, or that's what it's been tabbed as.
All those in favor of House Bill 252 vote aye when the bell rings. Those opposed vote no. Let every member cast their vote.
Ayes 94, noes none.
House Bill 252, having received a constitutional majority, I hereby declare it passed. Without objection, the motion to reconsider is tabled. Next bill.
Well, our legislators passed it. It's law in Tennessee. What we find on the highway is legal now to eat. Deer, raccoon, and possum have all become fair game. It's an open season smorgasbord on every state highway.
Well, we used to swerve to missing, oh, but the grocery bill's so high. We supplement our shopping out on the center line. Grandpa says it's the best thing since Roosevelt's New Deal. 'Cause it ain't like a handout, no, it's more like Meals on Wheels.
They gave us the Roadkill Bill. Now folks in Tennessee can get their fill. It's given brand new meaning to the phrase hot off the grill. Now that we have the Roadkill Bill.